Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. I'm Komal Kavach Shekhawat and in this video I will be discussing how to estimate correlation between two variables using eViews. So before proceeding with that, let's have a look first of all at how we can obtain data from World Bank's site. So to obtain data from World Bank's site, you have to go to World Development Indicators. So here it is, World Development Indicators. You have to click on this and then this window shows the entire data which is available on World Bank's site. So you can have your selection based upon whatever variables you want to estimate. So suppose I want to estimate the data for India. So I'll choose India and I want to estimate correlation between GDP current US dollars and imports of goods and services in current US dollars. So I will choose these two variables from the series section and afterwards I'll choose the time period for suppose 15 years. So recent 15 years I have chosen and then I click on apply changes and all these variables will be presented in front of you. So data for GDP and imports of goods and services is here as you can see. Now, if you want to download this data, you can go to download options here and can download this file in Excel format. Okay, so after downloading this file, the data will be downloaded in this particular format. As you can see, here it is GDP in current US dollars and imports of goods and services. So the data is available from 2001 to 2018, as you can see. So we have 18 years of data for GDP and imports of goods and services. Now you want to estimate the correlation between these two variables. So before importing this file into eViews, you have to convert this data in a particular format. So I have already arranged this data in a format as you can see. So in the first column, I have arranged the years from 2001 to 2018. In the second column, I have arranged the data for the first variable, that is GDP in current US dollars. And in the third column, I have arranged likewise the imports of goods and services. So this is the format which is needed to import and file into eViews. Now we can import this file into eViews. If we want to import this file in eViews, we need to go to File, Open. A foreign data is work file. So that Excel file is a foreign file for eViews. Now you have to open your file where it is saved. So it is book 1, open. Now as you can see, all the data will be imported in eViews and finish. All right. So now you can see we have extracted the data in eViews. So see here is for the constant. Our first variable is GDP in current US dollars and our second variable is imports of goods and services. Then there is residual and years. Now to find out the correlation, the steps are go to quick, then group statistics and then click on correlations. So we need to mention the series for which we want to estimate the correlation. So GDP current US dollar and imports of goods and services. So we'll choose these two series and click OK. Now, as you can see in our work file, the eViews has calculated the value of correlation for us, and you can see the result is in front of us. The correlation between GDP and imports of goods and services is 0.948. Now we can draw three important implications from this. First of all, the correlation value between GDP and imports of goods and services is 0.948, which is very close to 1. So it indicates that the correlation and the degree of association between GDP and imports is very high. This is the first implication. Second, since the value is positive, it means that there is a positive correlation between GDP and imports of goods and services. Third implication, positive value indicates that if one of the variable increases, the other will also increase, and if one of the variable decreases, the other will also decrease. So if GDP increases, imports of goods and services will also increase as indicated by this correlation value. And if one of the variable decreases, the other variable will also decrease. So this is how you can find out the correlation between two variables using eViews. I hope you liked the video. Thank you very much.